Hey everyone, this is Isaac, and welcome back to another Premiere Pro tutorial. In this video I'm going to show you how to use audio auto ducking. Let's get started. Auto ducking is a quick way to balance your dialogue and background music. Instead of manually adding keyframes, Premiere can automatically reduce music volume whenever it detects speech. First, go to Workspaces and select Audio. Select your music clip and assign it as music. Then select your speech clips and assign them as dialogue. With your music clip selected, here you have the ducking options. Turn that on. You can choose what you want the music to duck against. In my case, I want it to duck against dialogue. And here you can change the sensitivity, duck amount, fade duration and fade position. I'm happy with just leaving it as it is. And when you're ready, click Generate Keyframes. And as you can see, in the part of my video where there's no talking, the music is a bit louder than in the rest. You can also toggle bypass on and off to compare your before and after sound. That's a great way to check if you've gone too far with the noise reduction. This is me talking with a loud fan in the background, but with the denoiser turned on. That's it for this video. If you found this video useful, subscribe for more tutorials like this one. Check the description below for the links of all my socials, and if you have any questions or future video requests, leave them down in the comments below.